Hey Yummy Boomers, this video is going to give you a nice little ads tip with Facebook ads marketing, and actually you can use this with a lot of different marketing platforms, and that is retargeting people that had just finished an order online, either through your app or through their website or through your website. You might even be able to work it so that if they ordered it through text message or through Facebook Messenger, they're like, if you have the right automation systems in place, you should be able to do this with those platforms as well. And what you want to do is you want to get people ordering instead of in person. Well, not instead of, like if they're ordering in person, you can always upsell them directly. But if they order through your website, through an app, messenger, text message, whatever the case may be, you can always use, like, they place an order and then you can actually retarget them. So there is a way, as long as you have the Facebook SDK installed in your app, in your mobile app, you can do this. And as long as you have the Facebook Pixel installed on your website, you should be able to do at least something like this. And that is, you retarget those people that just finished an order, and you send them, you basically can send them an email if you have their email address and they did it based off their email. If you have the right automation set up for Messenger, it would take a lot of work in Messenger, but it would be doable. You can set up the right messages to do this, but really what you want to do is retarget them with ads and get them, basically what you're going to do is show them other menu items that pair well with what they just ordered. So if they just ordered a steak dinner, is there a specific, or maybe they ordered a shrimp platter, and you want to try to figure out, is there like some kind of drink that pairs well with that? Is there a dessert that pairs well with that? Maybe this appetizer is great to have right before eating the shrimp platter. Whatever like they order, figure out what goes well with those things, and then like show them ads, send them an email, or message them through Messenger or text message, whatever source they've already pretty much ordered from. I actually recommend doing both, like an email, like if you have their email, maybe do an email and do like when you send the confirmation email for their order, in that confirmation email actually have their like, these items go well with that. Have something like that set up. If you have if they ordered through Messenger, then like have like a Messenger sequence set up so that when you when they finish their order, it says, hey, now that you've completed that order, just so you know, this item, just show them like a single item. This item goes really well with that. Do you want it? Like, if they're ordering it to go, don't offer them an alcoholic beverage. Offer them, because they won't be able to take it, offer them, hey, like, would you like this dessert? It goes really well. This is a really good dessert to have after this meal. So you're kind of helping them learn to pair food items together so that you can increase your profit. So if they say, and like wherever you have them go, like if it's in an email, like maybe you have a button that says, do you want to add this to your order? And they click on it and it automatically adds it to their order. there's some setup that you've got to do, but if you set these things up properly, you can actually make more money on each online transaction. So it really works out for you because they start to not only get it that time, but then they learn through their experience, yes, this dessert paired really well with this menu item, or this appetizer worked really well, or you know what, I really like the fact that I upgraded my side dish. Whatever the case may be, and they end up going, you know what, I'm going to do that in the future because I know that those go well together. So you've increased the value of that, not only that specific order, but potential future visits as well. So that's the advice that I have for you. It's a great strategy for you to use to teach them like how to pair stuff together and get more money out of them and increase the value that you provide them, because now they're learning something new and they get to enjoy your food even more.